Hey guys, it's Nicole and welcome to my channel. I'm here at Bella Vista, Barangay San Vicente, Santa Maria, Bulacan. If you are looking for a pre-selling house, single attached, biggest and most affordable, check out Bella Vista. So we have two model units to choose from, Beatrice model and Bettina model. I will show you guys right now the lowest equity payment that you could get here in Bulacan. Beatrice model and Bettina model. Let's have a quick house tour. Diba? Inuna ko na si Bettina model. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng details on the screen sa kanyang floor area at sa kanyang lot area. Very important tong house tour na gagawin natin kasi extended yung promo ni developer. Ang ating developer, Dolmar Land, more than 50 years in the real estate industry. This is your chance to own a big single attached with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath for the lowest equity payment. Ang Bettina model ay complete finish turnover. Pagpasok nyo guys, white yung paint, mataas yung ceiling, white trim, 60 by 60 yung turnover ng tiles sa first floor. At kapag complete finished guys, kasama na to, alisin nyo lang yung gamit, tsaka yung mga gamit yan. At meron siyang access door dito sa balcony. Tapos yan yung kanyang first toilet and shower. Dito sa likod guys, may kita nyo maluwag pa siya. So, merong kanyan. Tapos dito, straight siya. Kaya yung parking mo dito, pwede siya up to 1 to 2 cars. Diba? Para lang tayo naglalaro ng hide and seek. It's just a quick house tour guys because later on I will share with you the updated sample computation. Sa taas, naka-partition na yung 3 bedrooms tapos meron ka pang balcony dito na pwede mong ipa-expand. Ayan o. Di ba ang ganda o? Ready for expansion ng iyong balcony. Para yun na yung maging bubong ng garahe mo. So, dito yung iyong bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. And of course, Bettina model, master's bedroom. Diba guys? Nakikita nyo naman sa screen, as low as ganyan lang yung kanyang equity. Can you imagine, 36 months, 0% interest? Wala ka nang makikitang ganyan guys. At meron ka ring sariling CR sa taas. Ayan po siya. Let's go and talk about quickly sample computation muna tayo ni Bettina model before we go on to Beatrice model. So, ito guys sa screen, minimum lot area na 80 square meter tong pinapakita ko. Kung gusto mo ng mas malaking lot area, yung 100 square meter plus, just let me know. We can check availability for you. Ang maganda, sobrang baba ng equity. Ayan na yung kanyang sample computation Bettina model. Wala ka nang makikita kahit saan na may ganyang promo. So, kung ang hanap mo, hindi ka nagmamadali. Tapos gusto mo single attached. Gusto mo yung location, non-flooded. Okay? We just had the typhoon Christine. Diba guys? At napakaraming parte ng Pilipinas at ibang kasi ang laki ng Bulacan na affected. Pero, ang area natin dito guys, San Vicente, Santa Maria, 100% no history of flood. Diba? Nakaka-trauma kaya yung tuwing bagyo binabaha yung lugar nyo. Kaya yun ang maganda sa area namin dito. Namin, kasi taga dito din ako, personally, okay? So, it's not a sales talk. It's because I'm from here. I know kung bahain or not itong subdivision na to. So, ayan guys, di ba? Nakikita nyo naman napakababa nung kanyang equity. Ngayon lang yan, promo lang yan. Don't wait for the price increase dahil magde-December at magbabagong taon tayo. Kung gusto mong makasave ng hundreds of thousands, this is the best time. Habang may 36 months ka na walang interest, baka nga kaya mo na yung tapusin within 36 months, hindi mo na kailangan mag-loan. Di mas maganda, nagkaroon ka ng malaking bahay, magkaroon ka ng magandang investment nang wala kang binayarang interest rate. Ang laking savings nun kung hindi nyo nare-realize yung savings ng interest rate, ewan ko na lang. So, maganda na 0% interest, 36 months, ganyan lang kaliit ang babayaran mo. O, diba guys? So, let's go to Beatrice model kung yun naman ang mas preferred mong model unit. And of course, this is Beatrice model. As low as ganyan lang yung kanyang equity. Lowest equity in the area of Bulacan na mayroong strategic location and of course, non-flooded. Let's have a house tour. Pagdating kay Beatrice, meron siyang parang pa-arco na design. Ito yung kanyang storage. Nasa labas ng pinto, malaki siya. Tapos, pagpasok natin dito guys, napunta na yung stairs ni Beatrice dito, di ba? Nandito na siya. And then, mas lumuwag lang tayo dito ng konti sa ating living space. Yan, pinapakita ko sa screen yung kanyang lot area at saka yung kanyang floor area. Complete finish turnover. Ganito rin yung tiles niya. 60 by 60. Alisin nyo lang yung gamit dito, guys. So, kay Beatrice, lumaki yung CR. Kasi nawala yung pinto dyan. Yung pinto is dito lang siya sa service area. Ayan. So, this one. So, just imagine ha, 80 square meter lot pa lang to. How much more kung yung malaking lot area, 100 square meter plus, yung i-avail mo. And, ayan. Your garage space. Balik tayo, guys. So, let's go to the second floor of Beatrice model. Mataas din ang ceiling dito ha. Pwede kang mag-chandelier or drop lights. Unahin na natin yung kanyang balcony sa harap. Nasa harap kasi yung balcony ni Beatrice. So pagdating kay Beatrice, nandito sa harap yung kanyang balcony. Ang ginagawa ng mga homeowners dito sa phase 1, na-extend yan. Pag ganon hanggang dito. So ang laki pa ng future expansion mo. Tapos, ang luwag ng hallway oh. Beatrice model. Nakapartition na yung 3 bedrooms. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2, toilet and shower sa second floor, and of course your master's bedroom. Master's bedroom, Beatrice model. O, diba guys? Nakita nyo naman guys ha, mas malaki na talagang floor area ni Beatrice. Kaya dahil dyan, ito yung kanyang sample computation. Ayan, updated, most recent computation of Beatrice model. Ayan siya guys. Wala ka nang makikitang ganyan. Equity, 36 months, ganyan lang kababa. Ano yan? Parang sa ibang project, parang ano lang yun monthly lang ng townhouse. Pero ito, single attached. Bakit ba ganon? Dahil po yun sa promo ni developer. Promo yan na limited lang. Kung makakahabol ka ngayong October up to November, good for you! Congratulations! Para mabit mo yung price increase na pwedeng mangyari. Dahil magpapasko at magbabagong taon. Hindi natin alam, di ba? Si developer, possible na mag-price increase sila anytime they want to. So, if you want to save hundreds of thousands, and at the same time, kung gusto mong ma-avail na 36 months, wala kang binabayarang interest, big deal yun, guys. Napakalaking savings ng walang interest rate sa equity sa ganung panahon. But let's say, sabihin mo, ayoko ng 36 months, gusto ko 24 months lang. Walang problema. 24 months, 0% interest pa rin. Let's go downstairs. I will talk to you guys about how you can secure your slot here. So, the reservation here at Bella Vista, strictly 100% online reservation. Ano po ba ang ibig sabihin nun? You have to contact me as soon as possible because strictly no walk-ins po dito. Viber WhatsApp 0917-114-2422 para masend ko sa'yo yung mapa. Real time po kasi yung inventory dito. So, kailangan mo kaagad mamili doon sa 30% or less inventory na natitira. Imagine, Bella Vista Phase 2, pre-selling, pero 70% almost or more than na siyang sold. So, meron ka pang chance to pick a slot sa ating inventory, sa ating mapa na isi-send ko sa'yo pag kinontak mo ako through Viber or WhatsApp. Yan siya guys, yan yung number ko, okay? Pag nakapili ka na, send ko sa'yo yung sample computation ng napili mo mismo kasi bawat block and lot, iba-iba yung TCP niyan, syempre, di ba? Lalo na pag gusto mo yung mas malaking lot area. Online reservation, I just need you to send me one ID first and yung transfer, direct mong ita-transfer yung 10,000 reservation sa account ni developer. Kailangan ko lang ng screenshot nun installation to secure the slot. After that, makaka-receive ka na sa email mo ng forms na kailangan mong i-fill out, kailangan mong pirmahan, at isa-send mo na yung other initial requirements mo like yung proof of income, proof of billing, birth or marriage certificate. So, yun lang siya guys. Very easy. More than 60% of my clients are OFW, immigrants, or abroad, diba? And others are, of course, locally employed or private employee or business owners or VA freelancers, diba guys? Dito guys, bank financing, 1090 bank. Ayan, 1090 bank, 2080, meaning 10% down payment, 90% bank, 20% down payment, 80% bank, or 20% down payment or higher, and then the balance is pag-ibig. So, ganun po siya guys ha. Yun po yung ating terms dito. The good thing about the project, we are all in total contract price. Naka-intact na dyan yung ating miscellaneous. Sabi nigay kong TCP kanina. Miscellaneous, kasama na transfer title, installation ng water and electricity mo, kasama na rin. O, diba? San ka pa? Kung gusto mo ring ma-avail ang Bare Months promo, na personally ino-offer ko for Bella Vista, October to November, you just have to contact me para malaman mo kung magkano, how many thousands of SM gift certificate ba yung ma-receive mo upon unit turnover. Depende po kasi yan sa model na pipiliin mo. So, para malaman mo yan, syempre, kontakin mo na ako kaagad sa aking Viber and WhatsApp number. Let's have a last look. Ayan. Dito, guys. Sa ating model, let's have a last look, okay? So, all you need to do guys is to contact me directly. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel para lagi kayong updated sa mga projects na ino-offer ko. Especially guys, ito na po yung pinaka-affordable and the biggest single attached in the area of Bulacan. So again, this is Nicole. I hope to see you all soon.